Okay. Second time, you won't know. Anyway, progress a little bit. I said I bought a tool. This thing, a sander thing. I was hoping that it would be better to get the sideboards cut and nice and smooth, but you know, probably didn't need it. I'm sure I didn't need it, but I bought it anyway. There you go. Anyway, so back onto the boat. I got distracted by this thing. A lot of little strings in there. So modeling is a new thing for me, so all of this is, you know, first time tying all this string and stuff. So hopefully it'll get better. I don't know if I'm gonna do something like that again. We'll see. Anyway, on the boat, still need to working on the final shaping. Got the garboards, so I clamped them together and scraped down. Used my scraper to scrape the curve so that they're both exactly the same. Now I'm gonna finish shaping one side of the boat, fit the garboard on it, glue it, and then try and make it look like the other side. Make it look like that side on the other side. So yeah, so a little more shaping on this side of the boat. It's not quite fitting on the front. I got the back, but the front is a little weird. Anyway, there you go. Hopefully I will continue working on this thing. Progress. Have a good day. Oh, I got a remote. Here we go.